Hi everybody, it's me again, and I just thought I'd bring to you makeup that I haven't used before and I'm testing out. For me, this is a video where these products have been out for a while, guys, and I know that, but I wanted to bring me using them so I can start using them myself, because I refuse to use anything till I've brought the video to you. These just sit around. There is a couple of things in there that I have used before, but only once. There is new stuff, like I said, there's a couple of old stuff. I am trying out the VICHY foundation. This is, I think it's only about 4 or 6 shades of this, which I wasn't impressed by. But it's a pretty close enough match. I will probably mix this the next time that I use it, but for now I'm happy. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching this. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap the bell and it'll let you know when I bring out more videos. And also, if you leave in the comments below, would really appreciate it. And I'll see you now with my application of all of this gorgeousness. So to start off with, I'm just going to use my normal, I like this to start off with, the Health Hydrating Gel Mist. It gives my skin some refreshment, if you get what I mean. Then I'm just going in with the BECCA Under Eye Primer. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. I know it's a tester, but they need to be used up. So this is yellow, didn't know that. You can tell I've not used it before then. I'm also going in with the MAC Strobe Cream. I think I've only used this once, so I'm not sure how I feel on this subject, if that's what you want to call it. So I'm going in with the VICHY Derma Blend foundation. First of all, I'm just going to colour correct with the It Bye Bye. Yes, this, I've used this before, so I know how good this is. Never tried it, don't know what it's like, don't know if it's the correct shade. If it's too bad, then I'm going to have to put on something else. So I'm going to do half my face with the brush and half with the beauty blender. So let's see. Oh, that is a really good match. Oh, okay, it's not. It's really nice though. So it's really thick, not heavy, which I'm sort of shocked about. On the opposite side, I'm going to try the beauty blender and see. No, I think I definitely prefer the other side. I get fuller coverage on this side than this side with the brush, but I like the finish with this, and a little goes a long way. Definitely gonna have to lighten my face slightly. I could build this to full coverage, definitely, but it's pretty full coverage on its own. shade match. It's a little dark, but on this one I think I went for the lightest shade. So I have got the MAC Prolong Wear concealer. I've tried this once, guys. I remember my thoughts on it. And then just using the brush again, I think. And then going in with my beauty blender to blend it out and not look so heavy. This looks nice under my eyes. It's not full coverage at all, but it's still nice. I'm going in with the Too Faced Peach Blur Powder. I haven't used this at all. I'm going to set everything with this, so I'm just going to go in with a big brush and just literally coat my brush, including under my eyes, because it's supposed to be really good for this. That's nice. That really is nice. I do like that. So I can tell I've got foundation on my face, but it's not like pow. It's not in your face. The next one I'm going to be using is the Tarte Clutch, which looks like this with everything that you need: bronzer, blusher. So I'm going to go into this light one first, and hopefully it's like a little bit like a contour colour. Did say hoping, didn't I? And then taking a Real Techniques brush, I'm just going to go in with the darker shade between the two, I think. I'll try the darker shade first and see. I just think that both of them are the same, to be honest with you. I can't even see anything. It's like there's nothing on my... Oh, you can see it in there. So I'm going between the two now, and see on this side. Yeah, I think between the two is the better option for me. So that's nice. That is nice. I think I'm going to go in with this like purple colour. See what we get. That's pretty. It's a nice buildable colour. I think that's the same with the bronzer, and I like the fact that I can just take this out, pop it in a C palette and use it. For highlight, I'm going in with this. It's a mini OFRA one. I think these have all been in a haul I've showed you, but I've not used them, so I'm like, okay, this one's shattered to pieces. I've not even used it. I'm still going to use it. It's really nice. Tattoo Brow from Maybelline, and I was like, I will give it a go. It's new to me, and why not? Probably fill one of my brows in, see how it looks, and then see how it looks, and we will I will see if I like it or not. And I've never tried this before either. This is just going to be... It's very stiff. Because I've actually got hair, it's nice for this front part to give you like the hair effect. It's just taking off my foundation on this side. No, I'm not keen on that. It's supposed to be blonde as well, but I'm not keen on it, so I'm just going to go in with my normal Kiko pencil and try and rescue these. So I'll be back once my brows are done. So I don't like this at all. I'm going in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Set Me Base. I'm using my SULTRY palette for the first time. Definitely not swatching it, guys, because I think everybody by now will have seen all of the swatches, everything to do with it. I don't think it's required. So to start off with, I'm going to go into Fresh, which is this one just here, just to put on my lids. Not on my lids, on the top part. So I can just do a bit of blending. But I'm going to go into Twists or Twigs. I'm just gonna pigment on these are brilliant. So, and literally I'm just gonna blend this into my crease and a little bit above, transition shade. Then taking the first brush that I started with, and I'm just going to blend even more. Then I'm going to go into Dystopian, just this dark brown, and I'm just getting a little bit, and I'm just going to put this on the outer part of my eye. And then going back in with Twigs, just here, just to blend the two together. So it's not such a harsh line. Then I'm going to use this. I'm going to use Cyborg, which is this one just here, guys. And I'm just going to use that. I'm going to try it on a dry brush first and see what we get, which isn't a lot. No. Let's try wetting the brush, shall we? That's better. Just over here, I'm just gonna pat it so it blends nicely. That looks so nice. And I'm actually gonna put this in the corner. Then just taking the twig, sorry. And I'm just going to run this just underneath my lash line with a bit of Dystopia, not a lot because it is so dark, just on the outer part of my eye. I really do like this look. Of pearl and just run that on my just to give me a bit of shine there. That's Intense is the roller lash from Benefit, and I've not tried this either, so we shall see. My cat is daft. It's okay. I wouldn't rave like everybody else does. I'm going to take a silver liner from Essence and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Then for lips, I've got a new MAC Lip Intensity pencil. Got two of the Anastasia lipsticks. Bought these recently and they're so funky. I can't tell you what they're called. But this is like a greige. They're definitely matte. And then what I do is I put the other one on top. To make it more of a nudie, what's the word? Nudie grey. So guys, this is the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look and I think it looks really nice. My hair always looks weird, but I'm loving this. This is sort of really out of my comfort zone, but I really like these two lipsticks together. And hopefully you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.